Where's the key? Who took the keys? Where is the key manager? Key lost? Every key secures its corresponding important asset. Are our assets usually managed like this at random? A comprehensive and intelligent key management solution solves all your troubles completely. Access keys via face recognition, fingerprint, RFID card, password, remote authorization. To take and return the keys from the smart key cabinet. No need to log in. Fast to return the key. Keylongest intelligent key cabinet adopts patented design, nice and compact appearance. Android system, simple operation. Adopting RFID technology to make sure that each key tag is with a unique ID. The number of keys and the cabinet color will be customized. Standalone, web version, and easy to be integrated with other systems. Remote access is available. Reservation, review, authorization, query, traceability, uploading keys status real time, door opened illegally, such as various alarm messages, nice appearance and use-friendly AI intelligent key cabinet, Keylongest.